Understanding the phrase, cancel the show, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, cancel the show. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, cancel the show, literally means to stop or call off a scheduled performance or event. This could be a theater play, a concert, a TV show, or any public event. For example, if a band cannot perform due to bad weather, the organizers might cancel the show. In a figurative sense, cancel the show can be used in everyday conversation to imply stopping or discontinuing something that is planned or expected. It doesn't necessarily have to be an actual show. For example, if someone decides not to go forward with a planned discussion or activity, they might say they are canceling the show. In recent times, the phrase has gained popularity in the context of cancel culture. This is a form of boycott where someone, usually a celebrity or a public figure, is cancelled, meaning they are culturally blocked from having a prominent public platform or career, often due to controversial or offensive remarks or actions. Saying someone's show is cancelled in this context means they are facing such boycotts. When using cancel the show in conversations, it's important to understand the context. If you're talking about an actual event, it's taken literally, but in casual conversations, it might mean stopping any planned action or activity. Be mindful of the tone and context to understand the meaning correctly. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, cancel the show. Remember, English is a language full of nuances, and phrases like this make it rich and interesting. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations. See you in our next video, and happy learning!